What's up, guys? Today I'm bringing you another video on some good old cryptocurrency, and today I'm going to be showing you about Davorcoin. And you might be asking why I'm investing on Davorcoin when Davorcoin is a lending platform, and I went through losing all of my money with Bitconnect. But after losing my money with Bitconnect, it kind of taught me a lesson to go into these kind of platforms expecting it to be a scam. So, even though this seems very trustworthy, this company has been very transparent so far, and I'll show you a few things on those lines, but you never know, they could shut down or they could exit scam, either one. But what I'll be doing is I'll be lending $100 to start with, most likely, and then I'm going to wait till I get my capital back in interest. So once I earn $100 in interest, I will withdraw that $100, and then I will proceed to do everything I did with Bitconnect to try and get that compound interest and get my lending up. And if we go here, I'll show you the lending. So their payouts are really good compared to what Bitconnect's was. So this makes it even easier to get out of the platform or get your money back and make sure you don't lose any money in less amount of time. So it would only take probably like 75 days, I would have to guess, because as you can see, every single day it's been over 1%. And then they even have this profit calculator, and I'll show you this because this is a cool thing they have. So say I want to do the $100 loan, and then you can do an optional capital lock boost. So if I want to make my capital locked in for an extra 120 days, I would get a bonus 0.10 each day. And then see, after the term, I would make 565, and that's without compound interest. So then the other stuff is their transparency. So if you go here, it says, "We are happy to announce that the lending platform has just been updated. This major update will allow you to better control your lending money in the platform." And then, so they released that on Medium, and they also sent out this email. So what this update is it allows you to cancel your lend and get your capital back immediately if you choose to get out of the platform, which that is really good. And it says, when you prematurely end a lending package, you will get back your initial capital. You only have to reimburse the interest you already received in the first month and 50% of the interest from the second month. This update will not impact existing lending packages, all that stuff. So I believe that I can invest in this platform and come out of it safe and not lose my money like Bitconnect. So what I would do is invest, wait until you earn $100, withdraw that $100, and then just play around with the $100 that your capital lock-in is with. And so if you want to join my team and invest with me, I'll leave this link right here in the description. Just click the link and get signed up. Even if you're not ready to invest today, then you have already set up for whenever you do decide. And if you don't decide to invest in it, that's alright. It's just a empty profile. It's not going to hurt you. So that's about it for today, guys. Just a short video today. And leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.